So here is my piece of board. It's just a scrap piece of board that I had out in the garage. That was a decent height for a home sign, so I'm going to use that. Just going to spray paint it white because I want the back of my sign to be white. I bought these letters at Walmart. You can get them at Michael's too. I just like the size of these ones, so I bought the H, M, and E, and then for our O, I'm going to use this wreath. So I had this in my video 2 weeks ago for Thrifty Thursday as one of my favorite spring picks at the Dollarama, and I told you to pick one up for a future Thrifty Thursday. So this is it. This is going to be our O for our home sign, and the only thing we need to attach this. So I bought these utility hooks at Dollarama as well. So I'm going to use one of those to hang up the wreath, and then the nice thing about that is that you can switch out the wreaths for different occasions. So for fall, you can put a fall wreath, you can put a Christmas wreath, whatever you want. So the only thing then that we need for this is some wood glue and some spray paint. So first I'm going to spray paint my letters. I just have black spray paint, and I've just noticed the can is backwards, but this is Rust-Oleum spray paint. And I'm using the Rust-Oleum handle as well for the spray paint, which makes it a lot easier to use spray paint. It doesn't hurt your finger as much. Got a little trigger on it, just attaches to the spray paint can. Really, really useful if you're doing a lot of spray painting. I'm just spray painting the letters black. You can do whatever color you want. I just like the idea of the contrast of the black letters on the white board. So once I have that done, now I'm going to spray paint my board white. And for this I'm using the Krylon Fusion. I got the Krylon white paint, I believe, at the Great Canadian Dollar Store at Piper's. Those are great places to get spray paint because you can usually get them for $3 or $4 a can, which is perfect for little projects like this. So you don't have to spend $10 on a can of spray paint. You can easily get them for $3 or $4 at your local Great Canadian Dollar Store or Piper's. So I'm spray painting my entire board white, and don't forget to spray paint the sides of the board as well because you want them to all look white when it's done. So now I have my letters placed on the board where I want them. I left a space, of course, for my O. That's where I'm going to add my wreath. I'm going to take Gorilla Glue wood glue that I got at the dollar store as well, glue them onto the board. Just takes a few minutes. You can clamp them if you want, but you don't need to. Now I'm going to take my little white hook, utility hook that I got, and I'm going to add that just underneath my H in the middle. Just screw it right into the board so that you can add your wreath onto it. Then I'm just going to take my wreath and add that right onto the utility hook. And our home sign is complete. I hope you enjoyed this video. I love the home sign, and send me some pictures if you make one yourself. Thanks for watching.